Winter mornings can be tough on our chickens, but a warm oatmeal mash is the perfect treat to keep them happy and healthy. Today I'll show you how to make this simple, nutritious winter treat. Hi, I'm Tammy, and welcome back to the channel. During the colder months, chickens can benefit from a warm treat that gives them a little extra energy. This oatmeal mash is not only easy to make, but also packed with nutrients that your flock will love. Let's get started. So to make our ingredients, we just need a very few. We need 2 cups of warm or hot water. And then we're going to add 1 cup of oats. And we're going to let that sit for just a little bit so the oats get a little soft. The longer they sit in the water, the softer they'll be. And then we're going to add a couple other ingredients. I have some crushed red pepper flakes. Don't need too much. Cinnamon. Just a few little sprinkles. Cayenne pepper. And then I'm going to add a handful of cracked corn. And we're going to add a handful of grubs. These are really, really, really good for them. I also have blueberries here that we're going to top it off with. Stir it all in. And this is pretty much finished. I'm going to let it sit here a little while longer and get a little thicker, let the water evaporate. I'll put it on the plate and then I'll sprinkle it with the blueberries and we'll be ready to send it out. The truth is they've never had oatmeal before, so I'm hoping they're going to like it. Here, ladies, I have a treat for you. I think that was a success. That's it, a quick and easy winter treat that your flock will love. It's affordable, nutritious, and a great way to keep your chickens happy during the colder months. Give it a try. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and share with other chicken keepers. What are your flock's favorite winter treats? Let me know down in the comments below.